Hey guys, what's up? Compound movement comes with a lot of benefits. So we want to really focus on compound movements and doing it very correctly. So I'm Praveen and this is Mehak from BodyProCoach Fitness. Today is about education, it's about learning the movement correctly. So let's get on to it. So we're going to be doing 3 movements today: snatch high pull, snatch balance, and overhead squats. What's going to do that is going to make you understand how to get the bar over the head and balance that nicely. So that's going to set you up for the snatches. Alright, now being said that, you want to go back and see our squat videos. What are the few muscles that need to make it flexible in order that you can perform very good squats. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. So click on the bell icon that you get the notification whenever we have a new video coming up. So let's go, Mehak. So this is an Olympic bar. You're going to keep the hands wide on the bar for all the overhead movements that we do. So we have something called a hook grip or a snatch grip, which means that your thumb is going to go inside. Alright, the most important thing while doing most of the movement is going to be a grip, the way you're taking the grip. You can have 2 grips. One is generally people do is that you take in the fingers, which will not really activate the forearms, so there won't be strength. You want to really focus the grip in your palms, not in your fingers, but in your palms. That will let you activate the forearms, that will get you strength. Now being said that, while doing all the snatch movements, you want to have a hook grip, which means, or a snatch grip, which means thumb inside, fingers rolling over the thumb. Let's go. We're going to go to the snatch high pull. Just come down to the bottom, to the middle of the tibialis, and go up and pull. Good. Drop, and pull, and look in the front while you're going down. Nice, good job. So what are the few things that we're seeing right now is that the butt goes down, a full squat, spine stays neutral, and get that bar all the way to the chest. Nice job. 2 more reps. Great, 1 more. Awesome, stop, put it down. So you want to make sure that as you come up, you want to lift that heel up, create that thrust, and pull that bar all the way up, driving the elbow by the side. That's the focus. So whenever you travel that bar in a straight line, that moves much more faster and much more efficiently. Alright, the next movement is about getting the bar over the head. So make you do a power snatch from here. Hands wide. Get off. Thrust that bar up, overhead, and in snatch balance. Place the bar to the shoulders, back. So she's going to place the bar on the fleshy part of the back. So if you look at the traps, there's some extra amount of flesh on the traps. You want to exactly place it on that, not in the cervical, not in the bones. So now you're going to, as you see that elbows are pointing down here, she's going to press that bar up, neutral grip, neutral grip. She's going to press that bar, bend your knees, create the force from here, bend and press over. Good job. 1, give me 5 reps of that. This movement is going to set you up for the snatch balances. 2, 3 more reps. So she's pressing, she's bending again. She started the bend, press and bend again. Good job. 2 more reps. 1 last, Mehak. Great job. Stop. So, as in the movement, where you're trying to create the force onto the elbows, you want to make sure that the elbows get extended, and at the top of the head, the wrist is going to be lightly bent. Your hands are going to be really firm on the bar. That's going to let you keep the bar over the head for longer. So as we created the movement, we understood the movement right now. We're going to go into the squat. So snatch balance, it's called as. Let's go. So same movement, she's going to make sure that whenever you lift something on the floor, you want to make sure that, can you just do that once again? You want to make sure that you drop the hips, the spine stays neutral with the low doses. Up with the bar of the head. Good. We're going to place it back. We're going to press over and go into squat. Press over. That's all about it. Coming up, get the bar back to the shoulders. So as every time you can see that as she brings the bar back to the traps, she's bending the knee slightly. That makes it that travel much more smoother. Let's go. Great, up. So she's creating that momentum together. Down. 3. I'm looking for 2 more reps. Watch out for the hips, the hands, the elbows. Up. All right, 1 more rep. Great, 1 more. Awesome. Put it down. So that gets you an understanding how to press that bar over the head. That gets you an understanding how to move along with the bar. The same thing is going to happen when you go into a snatch. We're going to do the last movement on this particular series, overhead squats. Let's go, Meg. So she's gonna get the bar up.
So hand distance is going to go wider.
Yep.
If you have a barbell and if you're using a barbell, you can see a ring which is being made across the barbell. Your hand is going to go as wide as the ring.
Get up. Okay, just place the bar over the head. What are the few things that we can see right now is that the wrist is slightly bent, the elbows are extended, which means elbows are straight. She has his underarms facing the front right now. All you need to do is that press that bar lightly to the ceiling. That's going to activate the lats. So she's standing neutral now. She's going to go down to squat, maintaining the elbows, the hands, the wrist. Let's go. Find that full range and coming up. So if you go back to your squat video, you'll get to see that the tracking of the knees, exactly she's maintaining that. Good job. 2 more last times. 1 more. And that's all about it. Alright guys, that was a video about how to get into a snatch, or the few basics that you need to be very correct about moving into a snatch. If you have any queries or you want us to focus on particular things in our videos, put that in the comment that we get to know about it and we focus on that particular aspect of your fitness. Alright, so thank you so much for watching us, and thank you so much for tuning in here. See you in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you.